Hello, what's your name?
My name is Okazaki from
From
Japan. Yes,
Okay, so what are you doing here in Pakistan?
just for shopping.
For shopping, really? You just came from Japan here for the shopping.
And also, I have some construction work here.
You have some work here?
Yeah,
Business?
yeah, construction.
All right. So, what religion you are following?
Sorry?
Are you Muslim or you're from some other religion?
No, I'm from Japan. I'm Buddhist. Buddhist.
All right. So, do you like Pakistan?
Yeah, I like.
Is there anything you want to say about Pakistan?
Nothing special, but please enjoy your Eid holiday.
So, do you like Pakistani people? Are they treating you in a nice way?
Yeah. I like people very much. And
All right. So, how long you have been here?
so far, almost 1 month.
1 month. So, how long you're going to live here?
Oh yeah. So tomorrow I'm going back to Japan. Come back after 1 week.
Okay, you're going Japan. All right. So, do you know how to speak Urdu?
Tora tora.
Can you say something in Urdu? Just one sentence.
One sentence. Sorry, I forgot.
You forgot? Okay, I'll give you a sentence. All right?
Sorry.
I'll give you one sentence, so you have to repeat it with me. All right? मैं यहाँ
मैं यहाँ
पूंडी
ओंदी
पूंडी
फुंदी
करने आया हूँ
एन्ने आइना हूँ
करने आया हूँ
एन्ने आइना हूँ
आया हूँ
आया हूँ.
Now say it all together. मैं यहाँ
मैं यहाँ
पूंडी करने
पुण्य
आया हूँ.
आया हूँ.
So do you know what does it mean?
I don't.
It's all right. I won't tell you. Thank you so much for your time.